Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use wide-angle camera on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, open camera on your phone and keep in photo mode. Here, normally it will use in 1x. Okay, 1x means this is normal primary camera mode. Okay, if you would like to use wide-angle camera, then see here, this is normal mode and I keep this frame. If you click on this 0.5 first option, this is wide angle. Okay, wide angle camera will be used now. See here, I am taking a photo. Okay, I keep in 1x, that means this is primary camera mode. Just I click on and see the difference of photo. This is normal mode photo and the next one is wide angle photo. Okay, so in this way you can easily use wide angle camera for taking wider photo on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.